In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 crashing on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fallout 4 crashing on the PlayStation 5 is a known issue. In fact, it is so well documented that people have figured out the exact reason why it is crashing, and I bet that most people watching this video will fall under this category. So the method that I'm going to show you in this video is going to tackle this exact solution. So it's primarily caused by conflicts with specific DLCs. So first, go over to your PlayStation 5 home screen, hover over Fallout 4 and go into the options. In there, you will find the option to manage the game content. What you have to do is uncheck the box next to the Automatron DLC and potentially the Wasteland Workshop if you have it. Afterwards, launch Fallout 4 and it should prevent the game from crashing at startup. However, it is important to know that you will be missing out on the content from those DLCs. So it is unfortunate, but if you don't necessarily care about those DLCs, it is an easy way to just get in game and start playing. Now, if you do care about the DLCs and you still want to have them in game, you can try some alternative stuff. You can try completely reinstalling the game, so uninstall and then reinstall Fallout 4 fresh, and during the installation process, make sure to uncheck the boxes next to the problematic DLCs, and then afterwards re-enable them and see if that works, but for the most part, it seems to be a problem that is attached to recent updates on Fallout 4, and because of this, it is very unlikely that we're gonna see a quick fix soon. We just have to wait until this is addressed because, like I said, it is well known and most people who face this issue can simply fix it by disabling the DLCs that I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 crashing on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.